Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will start our Diwani calligraphy. So today's lecture is about introduction of Diwani calligraphy, and also we will discuss some important things of Diwani calligraphy. So let's start. First we are giving the heading of important things. Important things of Diwani calligraphy. So there are some Diwani. So there are some important things in Diwani calligraphy, and the first thing we are going to discuss is angle. That at which angle we will hold our qalam or pencil. You can see here I have hold this marker because today is introductory lecture, so I am going to tell you angle. The first thing is angle. You know there are axes. These are x-axis and these are y-axis. So for doing Diwani calligraphy, we should have hold or pen or marker in this way at 90-degree angle. In different calligraphies, the angle of holding pen is different, but in Diwani Arabic calligraphy, we will hold it at 90-degree angle. So you can see here, I'm drawing two lines here. It's a vertical line and it's horizontal line. So here, vertical line is little thin, but our horizontal line is thick. It means that when you hold your qalam or pen or marker at 90 degree, your vertical work will be thin, but your horizontal work will be thick. So here I have calculated that we should have to hold our pencil or pen or qalam in Diwani calligraphy at 90-degree angle. So the second thing is scaling. What is scaling? To measure the height, width, etc. of a word. For measuring the height, width of words in Diwani calligraphy, we use different type of things. These are measuring dots for measuring it. This one in Urdu or in Arabic we will call it full cut. This one, it's half measuring dot, but in Arabic or in Urdu we will call it half cut. A circle, a bigger circle, and the small circle. These three circles are also used here: bigger, big, small. Okay, now here we have discussed some mirroring dots for our Diwani calligraphy. These are called mirroring dots, and in Urdu we will call it kat. Okay, now we are moving ahead, and here the last thing I want to tell you is dots. Dots. So you have seen in every calligraphy that we use dots. It's must. So here in Diwani calligraphy, dots will be drawn in this way. A single dot will draw in this way. During drawing the dot of Diwani calligraphy, a single dot of Diwani calligraphy, you must remember that there is no extra edge here, okay, and it's equal from all sides. You can see my dot is equal from every side. Okay, see here, this way. Okay, sorry, it's wrong. This one. It's little much true. Actually, it's drawn by me perfectly with qalam, so it's not perfectly drawn by me. But I know you understand that we should have to make all the sides of dot equal. Second thing is that we don't use a single dot in every calligraphy. So here are two dots. These are these are two dots of Diwani calligraphy. Two dots. As we write on ta, so on ta we will use these two dots. You know. Similarly, there are also three dots are used in Arabic. So these are three dots. These. Okay. These are three dots. Like on tha, we draw it in this way. So here our lecture is completed, and in today's lecture we have discussed some important things of Diwani calligraphy, and our today's lecture is introductory lecture. So these are important things that we have discussed in today's lecture, that are angle, scaling and dots. Angle, scaling and the dots. So angle is 90 degree of Diwani calligraphy, that we hold our pen at 90 degree. Scaling, these words are used for scaling of Diwani calligraphy. And the third thing is dots. Dots. Okay. So it's a single dot, two dots and the three dots. Here our lecture is completed. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.